All right, guys. You see, based on the situation in this country right now, everybody need to be awake and come back to reality. You get the thing that is happening now in this country is it is getting out of hand, and we don't know where this problem is coming from. You get the name of religion right now has divided us. The unity that we get before, the unity is missing. In between Christian and Muslim and some any other religion, the name of religion is mainly to unite us, not to divide us. But right now, this is who we are today. Just take a look.